us now. It's locked from the outside.
Oh, right. Sorry, that wasn't exactly the beginning I was after, but good morning, Harry.
Good morning, everybody from Asilah.
So, reason 155 why we like Asilah so much.
It is so beautiful, and the hammam.
The hammam.
Oh, nice, that's good.
What's your reasons, Harry? What do you want to show us today on this video?
Shay Farid.
Shay Farid.
Explain what Shay Farid is?
It's a really nice cafe owned by this really nice guy named Farid, and he makes the nicest breakfasts ever.
Like, I actually suggest, guys, if you're in Asilah, you should hunt this place down. It's not hard to find, is it?
No.
It's just inside the Medina, and it's called Shay Farid.
Yeah.
And the man's name is Farid, and he does the best breakfast. I personally think he does the best breakfast.
Yeah.
He's such a nice guy. He's always really happy when he sees us.
And we're hoping it's going to be open today. What a sunny day again.
Look at this.
Yesterday, but you have to explain with a little bit of disclosure that yesterday was absolutely pouring with rain. Like absolutely pouring with rain. The first rain we've seen in a while, I think.
It actually rains in Morocco.
It does rain. Oh, it rained once when we were in Rabat.
Yes.
Before Eid. And now we had one day of rain, but once again it only lasts a short time.
Yes,
And
and you know what?
Morocco's
It's one of those things. It's never a down experience when it rains in Morocco, because A, you know they need the rain, and B, it's nice warm. I don't know. I think they just need the rain, so it makes it all better.
Yes.
You know, like
and for that, on that note, it's a Sunday today, and it is one of our last days in Morocco, and it is super sunny. It's a Sunday, which means the hammams in Morocco have been open Thursday to Sunday at the moment. So we think, are we going for our last hammam?
Well, I guess so, yeah.
I don't want to be saying that, but it might be. Anyway, we'll take you in and show you inside the Medina here.
Yep. Here we are. Good morning. How are you, sir?
Hi, my friend.
You're good?
Yeah. Welcome.
We'll come for some lunch.
Shukran. Welcome. Yeah.
Okay, so one of the most favourite parts of our day is when we're eating.
There's so many amazing things. Oh, I should have got a bowl of that bisara soup.
Go on then.
I might go to Aila. Could you please also go and ask for that, Harry?
Yes.
One bisara. Yeah. They do really nice bisara soup here as well.
Yes.
Yeah. So we are having juices and smoothies. Is everything kind of coming to an end because we've only got a few days left in Morocco? We're trying to make the absolute most of the most favourite things.
I want to give you a quick look at this. Like, this is the street we're down, and it's beautiful. Like, this is Shay Farid right here. It's really easy to find, eh, guys?
Yeah. It's basically straight in the main gate from the Corniche.
Yeah, it's just in the front gate by the Corniche. If you come up here, there's a little Inui sign up there. This is the main, and here it is. There it is. It's the perfect spot, eh?
Yeah.
It's nicely in the shade. Here it is.
Yum food.
Beautiful food.
Show the menu since no one else is here.
This is the menu. Like, these are the menus. Like 24 dirham. 24 dirham for these breakfasts.
That's probably where I get the eggs from, though.
And the breakfast is not just 24 dirham, but the breakfasts are amazing with everything. Like you get juice, coffee or tea, you get the bisara, you get toast or mismin, omelette, all of that for 20 dirham, 24 dirham, that's incredible way.
And the coffee's good. Like I love my coffee, and the coffee here is really good. So it's one of the reasons we love Asilah so much. We're going to go through quite a few different reasons why we enjoy Asilah so much. I'll just take you for a little walk. Like this is just around the corner. Salam. And look at this, you're right on the coast. Look at this. Look at that. Well, look at this.
Buddy had just given us the most amazing spread of cakes and sweets.
So guys, this has been our favourite restaurant. It was actually like the first, I guess, first introduction that we ever had to Morocco when we first arrived. And so the first people
And we just
that
literally
met,
stumbled across this place.
yeah. And ever since we've come back to Asilah, every time we've come in, and we have had such a warm welcome every time. And so we've only got a couple of days left now. And we said the other day when we came in that it was our last few days here. And Farid just brought us this most stunning gift. Thank you so much.
Look at this.
Moroccan,
just-
that's Moroccan hospitality.
That's
Cake
Moroccan
right
hospitality.
up to the end,
I
eh?
think
Yeah.
I can see like a gazelle on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks so stunning. Oh, it's making me quite sad, that it's nearly our last times. Yeah, only a few days.
Oh, Dad, his dad's cracking up behind the camera.
Reason number 2 we love Asilah so much.
Beautiful water.
Look at that. Beautiful. Good morning, how are you?
Shukran.
Gav, we were here last year.
We were here last year.
Do you
Je
remember?
viens. Non, moi je viens du sud.
Oh, he's from the south. He said he's from the south.
Je
And your
viens
name?
Abdil Karim.
And what's the name of your shop?
No, I have
No name?
No name.
Well, this is the shop, guys.
Look how beautiful this is.
All
Look
the
at this.
amazing trinkets he sells.
So we actually came here and we bought a beautiful fruit bowl last year.
We bought one of these ones last year, a purple one, which we still have like this in our van, and it's amazing. It's our treasure of our van.
Here it is, guys. This is another reason we love Asilah so much. This shop here.
What else he sells? It's those people, they wrap it around their fingers and they...
Ah, yes. Yes, yes.
Yes.
It's so good.
Well, that's it. We're back out.
I know, and that Medina is
I was
stunning.
so disoriented, and when we popped up out of this, like, what would you call it, gateway entrance, I was like, oh, how are we here?
All right. Salam, hey! How are you, my friend? You're good?
Thank you very much.
Oh, is it good? Nice.
Oh, awesome. He's very good. So Kevin's great.
Where is it? Yay! There it is.
Feel my car is really hard.
Nice, perfect.
Nice pumped.
Perfect, perfect.
Nice.
This is our friendly bar. How are you?
How are you?
You're good? You're good? Labas?
Alhamdulillah.
Nice.
Cool.
Very good.
Very good. Are you going to come get it afterwards though?
Yes, I'll come get it afterwards.
Okay.
Great.
On Fela Hammam and then we
The hammam and then we come back. Nice.
Only time, welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Right, so here it is. This is the fire going here for the hammam and the cow's foot for the nice. And what is your name? You know, nice to meet you. Thank you, brother. Look at that. Beautiful wood. I can actually hear the water. Look at that. That's where it all happens down there.
Oski. So anyway guys, this might be our last hammam in Morocco, which is a sad thing.
Oh, it's very smoky down there.
Did you just go check the smoke out?
Yeah.
These guys, I just had a quick flick back through our pictures from Asilah from today, and man, it's such a stunning town, eh? We really, really
probably gonna
rate
be
it
like our
highly.
last hammam here.
Yeah, are you feeling
I'm
sad it's being
excited.
last hammam? Looking forward to it. But
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the hammam,
Nice.
but I'm sad that you're leaving.
Nice.
It is going to be really nice though.
Yeah.
It's going to be nice to freshen up just before we go, because probably won't ever get to feel this clean ever again.
I know, and to think, Oski, a few months ago you weren't too sure about the hammam. I actually feel like the first time you went, you didn't even go, did you? And then Dad took you back in and you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's part of our Morocco life. What do you reckon, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, off you go then guys, I'll wait for you.
So guys, fresh out of the hammam, how was that, Harry?
Amazing. So amazing. It was
Oski?
so relaxing and refreshing.
And we've learnt these days to cover our hair, because the first time we were here everyone was like, oh, you should cover your hair after you come out of the hammam. So,
Yes.
Much better.
How's the tea, Harry?
perfect, very nice. Nice, and I'm off to the hammam now.
Sarah's off to the hammam now. So that's reason number...
3.
I think you're up to 157.
yeah, reasons we love Asilah so much. What you got there, Oski?
We're getting some loquats and maybe some apples.
Another thing we like about Asilah so much, Harry, is the fresh fruit.
Half kilo? Yeah.
All the beautiful fruit on the side of the road. We had one of these melons the other day. So what'd you get, Oski?
3 big apples and like a half kilo of loquats.
Nice. Very good. Okay.
My favorite tea packet.
It's a beautiful afternoon, guys.
Yeah, it's so good.
Come down through here, eh?
Yeah.
We'll go down through this way here. Oh, escargot.
Oh yeah.
Escargot.
Across?
Alright guys, well that was an amazing afternoon. You going to sign off?
Yeah, we've arrived at our really nice campsite here in Asilah. I think we finished off with 157 favourite things about Asilah. I got my bike fixed, we had a hammam, we did everything everyone
Mum's
needs
still
to do.
there having her hammam.
Yes, we've done everything everyone needs to do if they come to Asilah. I reckon we're going to sign off from here, so we will see you on the next day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah.